Imagine a world where millions of devices communicate seamlessly. AWS IoT Core makes this a reality, connecting devices to the cloud with unmatched efficiency. Let's explore how this platform revolutionizes IoT communications. This video is brought to you by BusinessCompassLLC. We are an Amazon Web Services Advanced Consulting Partner and Well-Architect Partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. AWS IoT Core acts as a bridge, managing device communications effortlessly. It handles millions of messages, ensuring secure and reliable data flow. Discover the backbone of modern IoT solutions. The device gateway is your entry point, supporting multiple protocols like MQTT and HTTPS. It routes billions of messages to AWS services, ensuring seamless device communication. The message broker enables secure, low-latency communication. Devices publish messages to topics, while applications subscribe to receive data streams in real time, creating a dynamic IoT ecosystem. Start by creating device certificates, the foundation of secure authentication. AWS IoT Core auto-generates these, ensuring each device has a unique digital identity. Establish secure MQTT connections using the AWS IoT endpoint. This lightweight protocol excels in resource-constrained environments, providing reliable communication even under challenging conditions. Implement certificate-based authentication to secure your IoT devices. Use X.509 certificates and AWS IoT policies to create multiple security layers, protecting your communication from threats. Manage IoT policies effectively, granting only necessary permissions. Regular audits and policy adjustments ensure your IoT infrastructure remains secure and efficient. The rules engine is key for data routing and processing. It transforms and filters incoming messages, directing them to AWS services like Lambda and DynamoDB for further action. Integrate with AWS services for comprehensive data management. Use DynamoDB for real-time queries and S3 for cost-effective long-term storage, optimizing your IoT data strategy. Efficiently manage large device fleets with AWS IoT Device Management. Group devices logically and use device shadows for state management, reducing network overhead. Monitor performance with CloudWatch metrics. Track key indicators like message throughput and connection success rates to ensure optimal IoT infrastructure performance. AWS IoT Core's pricing model is pay-as-you-go. Optimize costs by batching messages and designing efficient topics, reducing unnecessary data routing and processing expenses. Implement message batching and efficient topic design to minimize costs. Regularly monitor usage patterns and adjust strategies to maintain budget targets effectively. We've covered key steps to set up and manage IoT devices with AWS IoT Core. From secure connections to data processing, you're equipped to build robust IoT solutions. By leveraging AWS IoT Core, you'll streamline device management and data processing. Start your IoT project today and unlock endless possibilities with AWS. Recap: AWS IoT Core connects devices, manages communications, and processes data efficiently. By implementing these strategies, you'll enhance your IoT infrastructure's performance and security. Takeaway: by setting up AWS IoT Core, you'll achieve seamless device integration and data management, paving the way for innovative IoT applications. Thank you for joining us. Dive into AWS IoT Core and transform your IoT vision into reality. Let's build the future of connected devices together.